Did you know a sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. This incredible force comes from your body's rapid response to irritants. Your diaphragm and chest muscles work together in a split second. But it's not just speed that's impressive. Sneezes can send thousands of droplets flying up to 26 feet. It's a natural marvel of human biology. This showcases the power of our bodies in action. Remember, covering your sneeze is crucial. It protects others from those flying droplets. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, be mindful. It's a simple act that can make a big difference.